from eternity past. Next is the dispensation before the law. So, panahon ni siya sa mga pentateuch. Sa mga patriarch. Mga patriarch ka. The next is the dispensation of law. Panahon ni Moises. Dayon, next is dispensation of grace. Then next is dispensation of kingdom. Then last is the the New Jerusalem. But for now, itong isutan ang dispensation of grace. So, scripture reading, mga kabasa, Galatians 4,